untuk kita teruskan ke kita punya webinar untuk hari ini. So webinar hari ini adalah kita nak cerita berkenaan dengan tips and tricks dalam AutoCAD 2020 ataupun 2021 lah, either one. Okay, so saya double check balik. So kita punya Facebook pun dah start live. Okay, so either you nak join kita punya Zoom meeting, okay, through this link ataupun through link yang you dah receive, ataupun you boleh pergi dekat kita punya Facebook. Okay, so sebelum saya start, saya akan saya kenalkan diri saya dulu. Right, so nama saya Syafiq Farhan. Okay, saya daripada Acad System. Right, so Acad System tu siapa? Ataupun kat mana Acad System? So nak kenal Acad System lagi dalam. Right, so kalau you nak kenal Acad System, you just boleh pergi dekat mana-mana browser, internet browser. So pergi dekat atas ni address bar, search for acadsystems.com. ACADSYSTEMS.com. So nanti you akan pergi kat kita punya website. So dalam website ni kita ada bagi tahu kita punya kita ni merupakan one of a gold partner, and kita ada bagi tahu news kita apa yang ada baru, and also kita dah include sekali dengan online training sebab kita akan go for online training untuk dalam tempoh period ni. Okay, and our webinar and workshop yang ini you boleh join for free. So untuk next week pun kita dah ada plan a few topics. Right, so untuk tips and tricks kali ni yang ini. Okay, so tarikh hari ini dan jam masa 2:30 hingga pukul 3 PM. Okay, so bagi siapa-siapa yang pernah join, okay, dekat bahagian chat, okay, saya just chat sekali dekat siapa-siapa yang pernah join kita punya Zoom meeting. Okay, so saya akan chat sekali dekat kita punya chat area. So kalau you all ada apa-apa soalan ataupun apa-apa pertanyaan, you just boleh drop soalan dekat situ. Nanti kita akan jawab bila dah habis kita punya presentation session nanti. Okay, so itu yang pertama. Okay, yang kedua berkenaan dengan topik hari ini. Kalau you require other topics later on, nanti saya tunjuk macam mana nak request untuk next webinar. Topik-topik untuk next webinar. Okay, so saya pergi kepada kita punya slide show sikit. Alright. Okay, they have some request to present in English. Okay, should be fine. We can present in English also. Okay, but we try to mix in certain word. We try to mix English and Malay. Okay, so what that you will get when you use a new feature, a new software, a new version of AutoCAD. Okay, so the first thing, I go to my slide. So this will be the first tips and tricks. Okay, for the module 2. The first tips, which should be the specialized toolset. Okay, when you use AutoCAD 2019 and above, you will get specialized toolset. Right, so what inside specialized toolset? Okay, you will get architectural, electrical, mechanical, MEC toolset. MEP is stand for mechanical, electrical, and plumbing. Okay, so map 3D, raster design, and also plan 3D. Okay, for today, I only want to show you about two toolset. The first toolset will be mechanical. Okay, so saya nak terangkan pasal mechanical toolset. The second one should be plan 3D toolset. Right, so basically toolset they give a very good benefit to user. Okay, the first benefit is intelligent. This AutoCAD software become more faster and familiar. Okay, all together can be improved when you use AutoCAD with specialized toolset, including specialized toolset. Okay, for the first topic, which is mechanical toolset. Alright, so I will share my screen regarding my software. So this will be my normal AutoCAD, my basic AutoCAD. Okay, so when you use AutoCAD, normal AutoCAD, if you plan to create this left area to your right area, right drawing, so you need to do something like this. You need to trim 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then you need to redraw a line. Okay, and also arc, start, center, end, start, center, end. Okay, so I just simply trim again, and then choose the line that you want to use and you need to specify the layer. Am I right? So that will be the method that you need to do. Okay, but if you using AutoCAD Mechanical, for example, okay, if you are using AutoCAD Mechanical, the most proper way to do this thing, so I will show you. Okay, for that specific topics, we call it as a hidden situation. So circle and also rectangle, another rectangle. Okay, using AutoCAD Mechanical. Okay, at top you can see AutoCAD Mechanical. Okay, Mechanical 2020. Okay, apa yang you boleh buat, just simple step, klik dekat hide situation. So you just simply click on the hide situation button. Okay, so hide situation means you want to put something into a level, right? So the first step, I just need to click on which block that I want to include, 1, 2, 3, and press enter. So then all will be appear here. So level 1, level 2, and for example, I want to add another level, I just simply click on here, new level, level 3. So now I can delete this free object, add a new one. For the first level, level 1 should be this circle, enter. Level 2, select object, this first rectangle. Okay. And level 3, I just simply click on the third rectangle, enter. So now you see on my screen, this object already automatic update into the first level become circle 1, means circle become the top one, means atas sekali adalah circle, sebab tu dia tak ada hidden line. So the second rectangle become second level, the first rectangle ni akan jadi second level, so means dia akan duduk kat tengah-tengah. So dia akan duduk di bawah bulat saja, atas dia duduk di atas ni. So how about kalau saya change? Okay, so this situation saya nak cuba edit. So level 1, level 3 saya just main gunakan pindah ni. So nampak? So yang ni dah duduk atas ataupun saya naikkan lagi sekali. Okay, now already change. Circle dah pindah dekat situ. But if I normally use AutoCAD normal, so saya kena buat manually dekat situ. So saya kena pindahkan, potong, trim and also extend balik. Okay. So using AutoCAD 2021 ataupun 2020 ataupun you just simply guna mechanical. Okay. So you also can click on this content, pergi dekat content library and boleh choose each library that you want to use. For example, screw, countersink. Okay. This will be the first example. Okay. So pilih size M10 or something. So nampak dia dah auto trim everything. Okay, so untuk AutoCAD Mechanical is super powerful sebab library semua dah ada dalam AutoCAD Mechanical. You just need to download AutoCAD Mechanical separately. Itu saja. Okay, so itu apa yang pertama. Okay, untuk yang kedua adalah berkenaan dengan kalau saya plan untuk pergi ke plan design untuk buat PNID ataupun PNID means 2D schematic drawing. Okay, PNID, ataupun saya nak buat 3D piping design, plan design. So is that proper saya gunakan normal AutoCAD? Okay, so normal AutoCAD good. You boleh buat 3D, no problem. But the problem is how fast that you can do. Okay, so saya tunjuk contoh untuk sampel yang ini. Right, so basically macam mana kita nak buat 3D macam ni. So apa yang kita kena buat? Kita kena buat satu, kita kena buat 2D dia dulu. For example, rectangle. For example, saya buat circle. So berapa size dia? For example, saya buat dia punya size 250. And saya kena press pull dia ataupun saya kena extrude dia. Okay, so saya press pull this object, tarik ke atas. Berapa tinggi dia pula? 4000. 4000. So itu you kena buat satu-satu. Every single elbow you kena buat manually, one by one. But if you use Plan 3D, okay, sekarang saya pergi kat AutoCAD Plan 3D. Okay, semua ni you boleh download. Okay, so you just boleh pergi ke Autodesk punya website. Kalau you nak try dulu, you boleh go for trial version. Ataupun you rasa AutoCAD is good for you, you can ask kita punya team members untuk inform you ataupun apa yang perlu buat lepas tu. Okay, dekat sini, bila saya cuba buat satu piping daripada Okay, dia dah hilang. Drawing ni dah hilang. Okay. So saya buka balik satu drawing. Saya buat satu piping daripada pipe ni. Okay, and saya tarik. Okay, kalau perasan, dekat sini dia dah createkan automatic T with the user. Okay, kalau saya nak naikkan dia pun, saya just boleh naikkan macam tu saja. Okay, kalau suddenly tiba-tiba saya nak tukar size, okay, saya just boleh tekan dekat sini, tukar size, route another pipe. Daripada atas sini, nampak dia jadi kecil. Right? So that will be the proper way untuk buat 3D piping. Bukan kita simply guna AutoCAD, normal AutoCAD, sebab dia akan drag kita punya masa dekat situ. Buat satu-satu single part. Okay, kalau dekat sini saya nak letak valve or anything, saya just boleh choose. For example, saya nak masukkan ball valve. Okay. So now kat sini dia dah automatic createkan dia punya ball valve dekat kita punya piping. So itu the first module ataupun the first chapter that we want to cover, which is specialized toolset. Okay, so chapter yang pertama. Okay, topik yang kedua ataupun chapter yang kedua adalah AutoCAD Web and Mobile Apps. Okay, saya yakin most of you dah ada handphone atau you ada internet access. Okay, so sekarang saya nak tunjuk dekat phone saya ada install AutoCAD. Okay, so untuk user Android ataupun untuk user iPhone, both of you can download into your Play Store or Google App Store. So both can. So dua-dua ada. Okay. For AutoCAD Web, you just need to use any PC. Go to this browser. Search for web.autocad.com. Web.autocad.com. Okay. For the first time user, you need to sign in atau you need to create account first. Okay. For example, I just sign in using my account. Okay. So inside this web.autocad, you can. Right. So cannot sign in right now. Alright, so inside this web.autocad, you can do editing. Okay, the simple editing. For example, you want to move your parts, your line, you want to copy, you want to do some changes. Simple basic features using AutoCAD. Only basic features. Okay, AutoCAD Web can do it. So it means you can access your software everywhere, anytime, and just simply need to have internet connection access only. Okay. So that will be the roughly between regarding our second topic, which is AutoCAD on any device. So you can use laptop, PC, tab, and also phones. Okay, for phones and tab, just download dekat kita punya App Store ataupun Google Play Store. For PC or laptop, you go any browser, search for web.autocad.com, then sign in. Then you can do your drawing there. Even though your PC is not meet full requirement for AutoCAD 2021, but you can use web.autocad.com. Right, so this will be another method that you can access the software. All right, so for the third and fourth point, which is block palettes and also dynamic block. Okay, I believe all of you already familiar with block. Okay, what is block? Block means you want to use one item repeatedly. Okay, for example, in this drawing, so when I have this type of car, I want to use this car maybe twice, or maybe 2 times or 3 times. So I can copy this block. Okay, so if this block is not if this object is not a block, you need to choose all these things. For example, this table. Okay, one by one, you need to choose. But if this object already become a block, you just need to simply one single click or check on the properties here, block reference. Okay, later I will show how to use it, how to create one block. Okay, what is block? For example, dynamic block. Okay, dynamic block means, for example, these trees, I can change this tree into this object. So you can simply change only. Okay, for those AutoCAD user, to have this type of block, these two type, this car I change first. Front view, truck. Okay. So for AutoCAD user, you can use this command to call this block, this type of block. TOOLP for tool palettes. Okay. Over here, they will have a few libraries. Okay. You can choose what type of library that you want to use. For example, I want to use architectural. Okay. And I want to put the toilet. Okay. This will be the toilet. Click. They will have flip button to flip. And also they will have this one to change. Right? So I repeat, the command will be tool palettes. TOOLP for tool palettes. All right, so clear about this. Okay, so how to create a block? Very good dynamic block. So this will be the sample. Okay, you need to draft one object first. So select everything. Okay, normal method creating block, B for block. B, enter for block. Okay, first thing you need to put name of block. For example, this what I want put table. So saya letak nama dia table saja dekat sini. Okay, and the second important thing dalam sini, okay, you just can simply click on the pick point. Pick point. Okay, and after that, you just tick on open in the block editor. Okay, only that step to create a block. Okay, but how to create dynamic block? Same like that tree. For example, for this table, I want to change the table from 1 chair, 2 chair, 3 until 6 chairs. Okay, how to do? I just can open in a block editor. Okay. Okay, so by default, you will go to another which is this one, we call it as a block editor area. Okay, so first step, dekat tepi sini, go to parameter tabs, visibility. Click and click anywhere. Okay, click mana-mana pun tak apa. Right. Second step, go to here, visibility state. Okay, so here, visibility state. Okay, for this visibility state is the area that you need to set what name that you want to put. For example, for this case, I want to put 1 chair, 2 chairs, 3 chairs until 6. So I just click here. So I put a new 1C, for example, 2C, 4C, and 6C. Okay, so this visibility state 0, you can delete because we don't use it anymore. Okay, and hit OK. For 6C means you want to show all the 6 chairs over here. But for the 4C, you want to need to hide something. Select this thing, click on the make invisible. Mean you will hide this one. Make invisible. Okay, go to 2 chairs. So select, for example, I choose this one, these 2, and this 4, total 4. Okay, so make invisible. So already disappear from screen. And the last one, 1 chairs. Okay, just select first. And after that, also same step, click on the make invisible. Okay, so that will be the step to create a dynamic block. Okay, then you just simply go here, click on finish block editor. So tekan dekat sini, save. So now your block already updated. So become 1. So how to change? Just simply click ada down button. 1 chair, 2 chair, 4 chairs, and also 6 chairs. So that will be the concept that AutoCAD use to create this car, to create this toilet and trees. We call it as a dynamic block. Okay. Right. So I go to the next topics that need to cover first. So we call it as a Mokoro, I think. Okay, Mokoro. Okay, This Mokoro, we combine these features. We AutoCAD already combine move, copy, rotate into one command. Right? So how to use it? So I just open one simple drafting here. Okay, to use Mokoro, you just can select object, click on MO, C for Mokoro, enter. Base point, the most important one. For example, I want to choose this point as a base point. Okay. To move, I just need to click on move. Okay. To copy, I just need to press copy. Here. And also here. Okay. And also you can use Mokoro, this point. You can rotate also, scale and undo. So that's the things that you will use. You can use using this Mokoro command. Okay, if you notice that this object, these eyes already not follow together. Okay, the reason why, because this object only single line, polyline, not a block. Okay. For example, I create this object as a block. Okay, B for block, dinosaur, close block editor. So become block. So when I try to use that command, MOC, okay, enter, base point here, and I can move with the eyes, copy with the eyes. So that's the reason how the first one is not, the eyes is not moved together. Okay, so you can try to keep using this one, MOCORO. Okay, for example, your company keep repeating doing this, you can use MOCORO. Okay, so that's the thing. All right, so another part is about mesh properties. Okay, mesh properties, I believe all of you already are familiar with. Okay, mesh properties is to copy one properties to another properties. Okay, so using AutoCAD, something like this. So I have another rectangle. Okay, I want to copy this magenta and dotted line to this rectangle. So how the most fastest way? Okay, mesh properties, you can click on this icon, mesh properties icon. Okay, or you can use the command MA for mesh properties. MA, mesh properties. Enter. Click here and click on this rectangle. Okay, AutoCAD software will help you to, wait, I check into the properties. Okay, so the color will be same, the line type will be same, only the general one will be copied together. Okay, the length and so on is different. Okay, various. Okay, but when I try to click another one, all become various because combined. This will be already become magenta plus white, then become combined. So that's mesh properties mean help you to copy these properties to another from source to destination. Okay, mesh properties. Okay, so this will be the example. For example, the small gear, you want to copy the black color of gear to the small gear, so become like this. Mesh properties. Okay, right. So for the next tips and tricks for the seventh one, okay, if I have two drawing, first revision and second revision, then my boss asked me or my lecturer asked me, what the difference between drawing one and drawing two? What the things that you already changed? Okay, so to do that, you need to have two drawing, two revision of drawing. Okay, so you just simply go to this AutoCAD drawing, the first drawing. Okay, click on the collaborate tab over here. Okay, click drawing compare. Okay, you can compare the revision 1 and revision 2. Okay, so when I click, you see here they will have two color. The first color, green and red color, right? So here, drawing compare. Okay, so I can change the setting. Okay, so you can also change the color over here. Okay, for example, I want to change into blue color, so become blue color, right? So for this comparison, you can see this will be the from drawing 1. The green color means from drawing 2. The blue color means from drawing 1. Okay, drawing 2 here already stretch. Drawing 2 here already move. Okay, for this area, they will have no blue color, means this will be the new one. This also be the new one. Okay, so for this area, they have no green color, means previously in the revision 1, the drawing, the table and chairs there, but in the revision 2, already changed and already delete over here. Okay, itu concept how to use drawing compare. Right, so drawing compare is quite straightforward and simple. Okay, method, I repeat the method: collaborate, drawing compare, and try to compare two drawing at least. Okay, and for the last point will be PDF import. Okay, this will be very good features for company. Okay, normally company will receive drawing PDF from supplier, for example. Okay, so I only need to open a new drawing. Okay, go to insert. Okay, dekat sini you will see they will have one button, import PDF. Okay, for example, I have one sample PDF yang macam tadi, floor plan sample tadi, gambar rumah tadi. So I just simply PDF import. Okay, so boleh pergi dekat saya punya folder, which is yang mana saya simpan. Okay, dekat sini saya just tekan and hit OK. Right, this software will help you to convert PDF to 2D drawing. Okay, all line already changed, including the layers. Okay, they will have two types of PDF. The first PDF that scan from scanner. Maybe you snap picture using phone, then you save as PDF. The second PDF that you the supplier save, your supplier save using software, export using AutoCAD software. Okay, for using export PDF, you can directly convert, but from image or from image that already convert to PDF, you cannot directly convert. Okay, that's the thing. All right, I think for today that's it. I will go to our question and answer. Okay, so for the question and answer, okay, for the first one, okay. Right, any question you can put into a chat. Cannot just group and go for Morocco. All right, so you can also group it. Okay, group and block basically the same, but block you can, the benefit if you when you're using block, you can calculate or you can do this table. Okay, I try to show you one time. Okay, so this object as a block. Okay, this object as a block. So I can calculate how many chairs inside this drawing. Okay, so just simply using table data extraction. Okay, if you use group, you cannot do this. Okay, I just simply go through first. Okay, only chairs. Okay, only position X and Y. Sorry, only position X and Y. Next. Okay. All right. So using AutoCAD, using full version AutoCAD. Okay, you cannot use LT version. So you can do like this using when you have a block. But if you create as a group, you cannot do this. So that's the difference between block. Okay, block means you have the information, but group you don't have any information. Okay, the scan is blurred. How drawing? All right. So if you use scan to copy PDF, you need to use the raster design features. Okay, you need to install raster design. Okay, raster design also included into our bundle specialized toolset, AutoCAD specialized toolset over here. Okay, so using raster design, you can inverse the color from white to black. Then you can redraw the line by clicking the endpoint, all the endpoint. You can simply click. How to measure the parameter and square feet for every space. Yep. Okay, if you plan to have a very detailed, maybe you want to ask so many things, we can plan online training for you. Okay, this will be the last question that I will answer for today. How to measure the parameter? Okay, so using AutoCAD 2020 and above, when you measure, you just put it MEA, measure geometry. Okay, you just can simply mouse over. Okay, so it's that easy, right? Compared to normal one, you need to pick one by one, point by point. Okay, I show you how to use previous method. So MEA, measure geometry. Okay, click on the distance 1, 2. So this will be the distant one. Okay, if you want to check the parameter, you need to manually add it here. Okay, so MEA, measure geometry, AutoCAD 2020. Okay, 2020 and above, you can do this automatic measure. All right, so if anything you want to ask, you can go to our website. Okay, all right, so for those that interest, you want to know detail about our online training, you can go to our website, news Autodesk software online training syllabus. So this will be our date, ada dekat sini, kita ada letak date, also kita ada letak kita punya syllabus over here. Alright. Okay, so kita punya management ada cakap kalau you all ada nak you want to go online training, they will have some promo code. You just put my name Syafiq. Okay, go dekat kita punya website and request for online training, promo code Syafiq. Then you will get extra discount for our training. Okay. Okay, so I think that's for our my side for today. Okay, so kat sini kita akan kalau perasan dekat belah bawah, dekat you punya screen, dekat chat nanti you boleh buat thumbs up. Okay, so nanti kita buat thumbs up sama-sama. Okay, saya lepas nampak ini. Okay, cuba try tekan thumbs up 1, 2. Saya punya screen saya tak nampak. Alright, so saya tekan 3, saya kira sampai 3, I count into 3, kita thumbs up ramai-ramai. Alright, sekali lagi. Alright, 1, 2, 3. Okay, tekan ramai-ramai. Okay, thank you siapa yang tekan. Alright, so don't forget to join our next webinar. Pergi dekat website, tengok kita punya next webinar. Go dekat next webinar, also we have, next week also we have AutoCAD webinar. So just join. There's it, kita buat for free for all untuk all of you. Okay, so thanks for your time for today. So for today I will end this session. Thank you so much. Bye. Okay, bye. Thank you.